Hey guys, as you're watching this video, our vision is to reach 500,000 subscribers. Hit the subscribe button, join membership to support our channel, and join Patreon and PayPal. All the links are in the description. Do that to stand with us for this beautiful cause of One Africa right now. We do not forget to sign up for the petition. The link is down below. Appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Burkina Faso's ruling military. Leader Ibrahim Traoré has dismissed the country's prime minister and dissolved the government, according to a presidential decree obtained by AFP on Friday. The ousted prime minister, Apollinaire Joachim Guillaume de Tambela, had served as head of 3 successive governments, surviving multiple reshuffles. However, no official reason has been given for his removal. Guillaume de Tambela was appointed prime minister in October 2022, following the coup that brought Ibrahim Traoré to power. The decree announced that the prime minister's official functions are terminated and stated that members of the dissolved government would continue handling ongoing matters until a new government is formed. Burkina Faso has faced significant instability since a January 2022 coup when Lieutenant-Colonel Paul-Henri Sandaogo Damiba seized power. Less than a year later, Damiba was overthrown by Traoré, who is now leading the junta. Damiba, who had ousted elected President Roch-Marc Christian Kabore, is now in exile in neighboring Togo. Under the current junta, Burkina Faso has prioritized restoring national sovereignty and frequently criticizes Western powers. The country has aligned itself with neighboring Mali and Niger, both of which are also governed by military juntas following a wave of coups since 2020. In September, the 3 nations formed the Alliance of Sahel States, AES, severing ties with former colonial power France and shifting towards Russia. Burkina Faso was a French colony until the mid-20th century, and relations with Paris have sharply deteriorated since the 2022 coup. Foreign Minister Karamoko Jean-Marie Traoré last month said Burkina Faso's cooperation with Russia better suited his country than its historic ties with France. Along with Mali and Niger, Burkina Faso announced in January they were turning their backs on the Economic Community of West African States, ECOWAS, an organization they accused of being manipulated by Paris. The 3 neighbors are all battling jihadist violence that erupted in northern Mali in 2012 and spread to Niger and Burkina Faso in 2015. In Burkina Faso, about 2 million people have been forced to flee their homes by the conflict, which has killed more than 26,000 people since 2015, including soldiers and civilians, according to monitoring group ACLED. Moscow has sent military instructors there, as well as to several other African countries, to help in the fight against Islamist violence. The junta has made the return of national sovereignty one of its priorities and regularly hits out against Western powers. Burkina Faso has allied with fellow Sahel nations Mali and Niger, which are also led by military juntas following a string of coups. Since 2020, the 3 nations joined together last September under the Alliance of Sahel States, AES, after severing ties with former colonial ruler France and pivoting towards Russia.